Hey there! So let's dive into the problem at hand. You're facing an issue with filling missing values in a Snowpark data frame. When you try to use codedf.na.fill0 code, it replaces missing values for some columns but skips others. An error pops up mentioning that the input value type doesn't match the target column data type, specifically for a decimal column. You also tried codedf.fill0.0 code, but that didn't resolve the issue either. Sounds like quite a pickle, right? Now, onto the solution. In order to tackle this problem, you need to consider the data types involved. A decimal column only accepts decimal values, not integers or floats. The code provided offers a structured approach to handling this. By defining a schema with specific data types and using codedf.na.fill code with decimal values, you can effectively manage missing values in the data frame. The structured approach ensures compatibility and seamless data filling, avoiding any type mismatches. See, sometimes a well-thought-out plan is all you need to solve a problem. Expanding on the solution, the code snippet demonstrates how different data types are handled within the data frame. It showcases the initial data frame setup, the missing values, and the subsequent filling of those gaps using decimal values. This meticulous approach ensures that each column is appropriately handled, maintaining data integrity throughout the process. Remember, a little precision goes a long way in resolving data-related challenges. In summary, by understanding the nuances of data types and employing a structured approach to fill missing values, you can effectively manage data frame inconsistencies in Snowpark. So next time you encounter a similar issue, you'll know just what to do. Alright, it's time to wrap up. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay curious and keep coding.